Hello guys, welcome back to Rochester Railfan. Today we are doing a Latin field trip into Mendon Ponds. We're going to be looking at nature stuff and trying to talk in Latin. It's going to be fire, trust.
Make sure to
No, go ahead.
subscribe.
I'm a blank page before you. Open up the dirty window. Let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find.
We are not even a mile from the school. Miss Feller, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your Latin class this year?
Balls.
Jack, shut up.
Say hi. Is it going?
Welcome to Rochester Railfan, guys. Eques. Wait, what's the word for brown? Eques est foluus et laetus. He's actually trying so hard.
It keeps falling.
No, little bro, get up there.
Yeah, he was on my shirt, so I trapped him.
You're gonna love this one.
Rana est.
Oh, he's trying to jump.
Rana.
I didn't know bro was chill. I didn't know bro was chill like that.
Does he realize how famous he actually is?
He doesn't.
He's like, what? I love him.
He doesn't even know what this is.
Spider.
What is bro searching for? Bro, he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to leave. Got you. What's the name?
I don't know. Skibbity toilet.
Blue Jay. Came from Toronto.
Actually. Salve, me est maxima optima. Ego est in avius cantus via in mendem stagnum. Viridis arboris et timidis animalia in hic. Ego audio insectus et avius cantans. Ego olfacio jucundus et herbosus ventus et fertilia terra. Humidus et calidus ventus sentio, sed bene est. Sal est maximus iter, est bene Dei, ambulo cum amice, et ego laetus est. Ego somnus non habet, sed claris caelum et flavus solus netet.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Lingua Latina.
We win! We win!
Yeah.
We win! Woo!